Oh, hey, now y'all scored. So to this game, it's Greg and a big camera for them. Today we'll be doing MukBang. I'm asking MukBang or MukBang. I think it's MukBang. Okay. Yeah, MukBang. So come on, juice. Come on, juice.
You don't go to sleep with them lights on.
All right. I got this stuff. So, you in your room? So yeah, so I'm finna tell y'all about the fight. Back today. So, you probably get upload tomorrow. Get upload today. The fight from today. Come on, gotta stir it up. The fight today. Malika. That's what fight. Alright. Y'all put that fight. If I do, I do the whole video. For sure, baby. Right now. Wow. But yeah. Back. Right now. This what happened. Where is it? My old house where they stay. Right across the street. We like live there. So.
Gregory, that's not for you. I didn't buy that for you. And don't drink no more. Go turn them lights off over there.
Alright, I'm doing something.
That isn't even done.
Yes, it is.
How many minutes did you put it on?
I put it on 3.
Turn those lights off.
You interrupted my YouTube video.
The kitchen light too. And you got a cup over there in that chair. Stop using our
There's
cup.
nothing in there.
You could have used that. That's what I'm saying.
Oh. No.
Did you lock that back door?
Yeah.
Them blinds not twisted. I'm looking dead at them. Fixing.
But yeah. So they were fighting. We was over there, they were fighting, so then what else happened? They started fighting. But they started fighting. So then I tried to jump in. Well, I ain't jump in, but I was trying to break it up. So then they got me involved. So I this shit fighting. Cause their cousin beat the other one. This is so wild. Step back. Look up. Put your hands up. Swing out. Oh yeah, I hate that. Boom. I had to my face really like. Then yeah. So then look back out. She put that bite in here. So then he fell. She fell. His mama came. I had to hop. Me, my cousin, my other cousin, and my other cousin. It was 4 of us. And no 2 of us fight. But guess what the other one said? Both of them recording a fight. But they recording my part, they recording my cousin part. So my cousin beat up here. Dude, my cousin swing. Killed down my throat. Kept throwing them. I grabbed him up off him. We all leave. Cause the OG came. We boom. This the gate. My cousin like right here. He kept up. He only got to right here. And then he finally boom. And he got off feet because he passed. He fast though. So yeah. They were just running. We were just running. We ain't know where to go. We ain't gonna go home. Then they said if we go in the house one more time, I have to stay. But we like, we ain't finna go home. So we just started running. We ran. Went to Brooklyn Deli right there. The stove. Java stove. It's to the gas station. It's the gas station. Brooklyn Deli's. Gas station, Brooklyn Deli's. Gas station, Brooklyn Deli's. And then we have to Brooklyn Deli because it was the closest. So we oh, here we go. I use our feet. But I got a cramp in my leg. Like at the beginning of the video, y'all might see me a little cramp. Oh damn. There's a cramp in my leg. But fine. I'm gonna do that. Check room. So then we just kept running till our auntie seen us. Our auntie seen us. Had to go real quick. But y'all, I'll probably vlog for y'all over there. But we'll go over there tomorrow. Going over there early. So far, Instagram. Okay. I will go live on there. So yeah. So that was the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for all. You'll see that up there right there next to subscribe. When you click subscribe, post that bell. It's gonna be at the top. I'll say all. Click that bell all hit the top. Yeah. On 2nd grade, shut it.